We are going to review top 5 best sewing machine for heavy duty. List number 1. JUKI DD Elite 1700 Lock Stitch Industrial Sewing Machine. Brand new JUKI DDL 8700 High Speed, 1 Needle, Lock Stitch Industrial Sewing Machine. Machine head only. Tabletop and power stand is not included in this purchase. Sewing mechanism that demonstrates outstanding responsiveness to material to be sewn. By thoroughly investigating and modifying the sewing mechanisms in order to achieve low-tension sewing, the machine flexibly responds to various kinds of materials and produces beautiful seams of consistent quality. Maintainability was improved. List number 2. JANOME HD 3000 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Were you rather intrigued by the heavy-duty nature and large workspace of the machine above, but you're just not ready to give up the format of a walking foot machine since that's what you learned on, and that's what you find yourself most proficient in using? Then we think you'll be very pleased indeed to learn that there are classic, free-arm style machines out there that are just as heavy-duty and great for mass-producing garments too. This quite reasonably priced option from JANOME is an awesome example of what we mean. Besides having a very durable exterior and coming with an equally heavy-duty hard case, this machine also comes with a range of walking foot. List number 3. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The HD 3000 is a heavy-duty machine, perfect for a beginner or sewist looking to do a wide range of sewing. A handy instructional guide is located in the top tray door of the machine, which indicates the feet and stitch settings for a variety of sewing tasks. Heavy-duty aluminum body and 18 stitches, including a one-step buttonhole, give you the tools you need to handle any kind of sewing project. Stitch length and width adjustment are conveniently located on the front of the machine. List number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. This Singer Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bedplate, extra high sewing speed, and powerful motor, it can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics. Convenient features include a built-in needle threader, top drop-in bobbin, built-in one-step buttonhole, snap-on presser feet, onboard storage, adjustable presser foot pressure control, built-in reverse, adjustable stitch length, 3 needle positions, and drop feed for bobbin. List number 5. HEM Portable Sewing Machine. Double thread and double speed helps you create neat, straight, and firmer stitch. Supports seam, hem, buttonholing, auto winding, etc. Free arm for circular sewing on cuffs or trouser bottoms. This mini sewing machine built in 12-stitch patterns meet your different needs of DIY sewing. Anti-slip bottom pads to ensure the overlock sewing machine stay firmly during operation. Safe to use. One button to turn on/off. You can see all the little details in your work for easy threading. This heavy-duty sewing machine equipped with lighting lamp, replaceable foot, cut and sew overlock stitches,